welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you step-by-step process of coloring book publishing on Amazon KDP. So without waste any second, let's get start the video. First you can open ChatGPT and publish your interior PDF file and book cover PDF file and write this prompt, note down this prompt and send prompt. Click on send prompt button. Then you can see that this AI tool can help to write a better SEO friendly book title, subtitle, description and tags 7 boxes which is using at the time of book publishing on Amazon KDP. After that you can open your Amazon KDP account. Then click on create a new title or series button. Paperback section you can uploading medium and low content related books. Click on create paperback. Then after the clicking you can see the 3 features functions of Amazon KDP: paperback detail, paperback content, paperback rights and pricing. First in paperback details you can copy and paste it in a title, subtitle, description and 7 tags. Okay, after the copy and paste is second part is series. Your book is in the series, like you can add on in the series function. And third is the edition number. This is the optional, you can skip this. This series option is also optional, but you can add on if you want required. Author name is a very important part because it's like a branding. If you are choosing the best, easy to remember and easy to pronounce, author name is very beneficial for your Amazon KDP journey. You can write the first and last name as author name. Contributor means if you are making a book with multiple pupils, you can add on name also as a credit. And next is description, we are already put it. And publishing rights, it's I own the copyright and hold necessary publishing. If you are making book by yourself, maybe you can use AI, no issue of that. And if you are using the other person, other public domain work, you can click on this side. If you have own book, you can click in this side. If you have in this book primary audience, if you in the book no have any adult content, you click on no option, otherwise click on yes. Okay, next is primary marketplace. Amazon.com platform of USA. It's a covering overall world. And if you are targeting specific country, you can select from this side. Category is also important part of the book publishing. This is deciding where your book can see by the people. For example, in my case, book is coloring book. So if people are searching coloring book, chances are high to show my book in the coloring book section like that. Save and continue. You are selecting maximum 3 categories. Keyword, you can add on ChatGPT generated 7 keywords. I am just showing 2 pasting. This option is also optional, but my advice is that you can please write down because it can help to boost your book for getting high sales and high chances of promotion. Okay, and next is the release date. You don't touch any publication date, just a release date. Release date means you can schedule your book. If you are launch your book after 3 days, 2 days, you can schedule your book with this option. Okay, after that you can click on save and continue option. First part is completed. We are come at the second part. This is assign ISBN. This is the best part of Amazon KDP is that they are providing the free ISBN number. Click on assign ISBN and click on assign ISBN button. If you have own ISBN number, click on add your own ISBN. Otherwise, you click on get free ISBN. Next is print option. Print option means that the quality of paper, they have a different options of paper quality. In the coloring book case, you can click on black and white interior with white paper. Okay, and next is the trim size. Your book if you have your book a different size, you select from this. Otherwise, you have a custom size, you can click custom. Okay, my book size is 8.5 inches. If your book bleed settings, in this section, if your interior designs are in the margin, you can click on bleed PDF only. If your book is no in margin, designs are not in the margin, you can click on no bleed option. Okay, and this is the next is the paper back cover finish. This is the two different style of book cover quality. You can click glossy, maybe you can click on matte. Okay, it's totally depend on you. Next is manuscript. This is the very important part. You can paste, you can upload interior PDF file in this side. Manuscript upload, and next is book cover. If you are want to create a book cover from scratch, you can click on launch cover creator. If you are already create on Canva or other graphic designing tool, you click on upload a cover you already have. Okay, in this side upload your cover file, click on this. Next is AI generated content. If you are using AI in the book creation process, you can click on yes. Which part you are using AI, you can select from these options. Otherwise, you can click no if you are creating by your own self. Okay. Then next is click on launch preview. In this section, Amazon KDP automatically detect each and everything. If in their book have any issue, they are showing in the left side in quality check section. If you no have any issue, you can see this like this type. You can see the book cover. Please write a comment how it's look like. And then if all things are done, you can click and see your interior pages how it's look like, and click on approve button. And after you can see the summary section. In this section are coming the printing cost in amazon.com and different other Amazon channels. Okay, next we click on save and continue. This is the final step of book publishing on Amazon KDP. This is the final step. In this step, we are deciding the pricing of the book. My advice is that you can select, you can choose the little less price that people can afford and easy for buy. If you are get the review at least 5 to 10 review, after that you can increase your price, automatically increase your royalty. For starting, I am advise you select the low cost of your book. Okay, and you can see that you earn only 0.16 cent. I know this is very low, but my if you are follow these steps, you get better results. And automatically are selecting pricing automatically by Amazon KDP. Next is a term and conditions. After 72 hours, your book is live on Amazon. You can check out after 72 hours, and all the process if done, then you can click on publish your paperback. And this is the complete steps of book publishing. I hope you are enjoying. I hope you are learn something new. If you are enjoy this video and learn something new, write a comment below. As well as if you are facing any problem at the time of book publishing, then you are write a comment. I am creating separate video. That's for today. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon for don't miss any upcoming video. Signing off.